All right, so step one, I think everybody has it saved, correct? Okay, step 2, or 3, excuse me, on page 50, project 2-2, is to change the width of column A to 24. So I saw a lot of you trying to drag this over, like so. You can do that, or you can just click on it, and then go into Format. When you're in Format, click Column Width, and change it from whatever it is to 24. And then click OK. So again, you do that by just clicking on A, and then changing it over here in the Format. Okay, we are going to merge and center the range of A1 through F1. So select A1 to F1. Then you are going to click Merge and Center in the alignment group. Also, it wants you to merge and center the range A2 through F2. So that is merged and center as well. Both of those are merged and centered. Got it? Yep. Okay, it wants us to format cell A1 with the title cell style. So that is in the styles group. Hit the More button, and then it wants us to do the title one, which is over on the right. Okay, and then it wants us to do that, and then come over to the left and fill. So hit the drop-down pane bucket, and it wants us to fill orange accent 6, which is this one. Go ahead and bold the range A4 through F4. What? Just the one that actually says title. Okay.
I don't get if this whole thing is supposed to be yellow or just the change format to oh no, that's just change font colors range to
Get that line out. I don't know.
Chile.
You also need to change row 2 to orange as well. So click into cell A2 and change that fill color to orange.
Can we just leave the text?
That should be easy.
Can we just leave that how it is, but just change the color?
Yeah.
Thank you.
For now, you do. All right. It says for number 6, bold the range A4 through F4. So you're going to select A4 and drag over to F4. And we are going to bold these words. Okay, and then keep those cells selected. So they need to be selected. With them selected, we need to angle the data counterclockwise.
Your totals are not.
What?
Never mind.
We need to angle the data in the range B4 through F4. So select B4 through F4, and then we need to angle the range counterclockwise. So you select those, and then you go ahead to this button here, which is the orientation button, and angle counterclockwise, which is that way. Then it wants us to change the width of column B through E to 6. So select column B, C, E, or D and E. So to do that, you just click on B with your mouse looking like this, and then hold, click and hold, and then drag over to E. With that selected, you're going to want to go to Format, Column Width, and change it to 6. And hit Enter. And there, it should move, correct?
Yep.
Alright, so we are through step 8. Step 9 is to bold the range A12 through F12. So go down here to total birds cited in A12, and then select over to F12 and bold. A12 through F12. Next is to indent and italicize the range A5 through A11. So that is selecting these A5 through A11. Then you are going to hit the indent, the increase indent button, which is right up here in the alignment group. And it is this one. You're going to click that once, and then you're going to click italicize. The increase indent up here in the alignment group. You're just going to want to click this button once. And it should move all the text over. Alright, next it wants us to right align the data in cell A12. So right align is right up here in the alignment group, and it just moves it over to the right side.
Does it need to be bolded?
Huh?
Give it the, A5 through A12, does it need to be bolded?
No, it is italicized. Alright, next up is to format the range B12 through F12 with a top and bottom border. So, B12 and F12, this is another kind of accounting sheet. So to do a quick border, you're just going to want to hit the border drop down button, which is right here in the font group with this selected. Hit the drop down, and then it wants us to do,
Top and double bottom.
yep, a top and double bottom, which is down here, the last one of the preset ones within Excel.
Does, A12 need to be bolded?
Huh?
Does A12, the total board decided,
Yes.
does that need to be bolded?
Alright, and then next is to change the font color of the range F4 through F12 to orange accent 6. So F4, go to F4, down to F12, and then you're going to change the color to orange accent 6.
Did it?
Alright, and then the last thing is to type your name into cell A3.
Do you want us to type prepared by or no?
Type your name into cell A3.
Then you want us to put prepared?
Yep, put prepared by in front of it. I skipped that. Put prepared by. And then your name. Then you are going to save and print.
I didn't know if you wanted this.
Print. So go File, Print, and then it should have it in Portrait. And then where it says no scaling, make sure it's fit onto one page.